Hello everyone, my name is Blake Anderson and I'm a sales engineer from Rinstrum's Australian Hub. This presentation is on our range of junction boxes. Junction boxes are one of the most critical components in many weighing systems, whether it be a pallet scale, a hopper scale, or a weighbridge truck scale. This presentation will give you an overview of both our existing and our new products that we've just added to our catalogue. Firstly, I'd like to talk about our Fourway signal adjust summing boxes. The 0075 is our entry-level IP65 polymer plastic junction box with 4 load cell input, and for those critical corner adjustments it's signal trimming. The 0075 M12 is the same junction box, but what it adds is the M12 fly leads already pre-installed. A lot of Rinstrum load cells come with the M12 connection fitted, so what this allows is ease of installation with its plug-and-play functionality. The 0076 is one of our newest junction boxes added, IP65 rated stainless steel junction box. Again, 4 load cell input, signal trimming. The 0078, again, one of the new junction boxes just added, but it is IP68 full washdown stainless steel junction box. 4 load cell input, and of course, signal trimming. Now let's take a look at the Sixway signal adjusting summing boxes. The 0077 is an IP65 stainless steel junction box. It's very similar to the 0076 we saw previously, but it is 6 load cell input. Again, signal trimming for that corner adjustments. 0077-M12, same junction box, but adds those M12 fly leads for the ease of installation. The 0071 is another one of our 6-way signal adjusting summing boxes. It's an IP65 aluminium enclosure, but what it offers different to the other junction boxes that we've seen is it has a built-in linking circuit to allow daisy chaining of multiple 0071 summing boxes. Now, let's take a look at our fixed M12 junctions. All 3 of the options you can see here are fixed, so they do not allow corner adjustments. The MC5JM2 and MC5JM3 sum 2 load cells and give you a single output to your indicator. The MC5JM2 is a male bulkhead connection for installing in panels or enclosures. The MC5JM3 has a male inline connector for those field installs. The MC5JM4 is a 4 load cell junction that is IP68 rated. This means that it's perfect to use in those full washdown or outdoor environments where you need that protection. It is very, very common to use this in agricultural environments like a feed-out trailer. Thank you, and for more information about Rinstrum's junction boxes or any other of our products, please contact your region's sales hub.